January is 27. So these are the tobacco to be planted. They were delivered last night. So I'm going to the field to see what they're doing.
Talo ato eh.
Mabitak ti...
Mabitak adi PVC manggal, adi naramid mo nga blue pipe.
Wan. Tajak.
Kas didi.
Awa mga minti chimpok ang nagaramit ti kastoy.
Kuha na ngay.
So kasta ti aramidek to.
Kuha na ngay. Di dos ato eh. 1/4 atin eh. Binatang kan.
3/4 ato or 3/4.
3/4 na nga.
Okay. Sige. So these things. So this is the tobacco that actually is this a tobacco I'm planting? Oh, I think it's the wrong one. Okay, I'm going where I should be. Okay, this is the boundary. So these are the people planting. So I'm just gonna go check the progress of the planting. So this is the water pump that we're using to pump water. The duck hose is 1.5. So this water pump has no gasoline tank. So they just use a water bottle, 1.5. So these are already planted. We had to borrow another 50 meters duck hose because it's not long enough. So we're going to see to budget that. So this is our agent, Sir June from LGU. So what do you see? Ano ito makita? Bayad?
Okay sir, okay.
Okay. Hampay nga veterano ni Jean-Claude. May nga taon siguro, agbaling nga veterano.
Sa kami mo kag-monitor no kasi.
May kano pati patupa na ko na din. Kay karta mo tay kon eh. Dati ay nakapita.
So when flooding the furrow, it has to be well saturated. So they have to linger. So the distance between furrow is 110. Plant to plant is 38 centimeter, 40 centimeter, basically. So they what you call so I made that tool to divide the water between 3 hoses. This thing should be made out of metal. That's to make it easier to applying the fertilizer is inconsistent. So gotta figure out how to apply fertilizer consistently and make that out of metal instead of plastic. It's just too fragile. So that's how the fertilizer are applied. The tool that I bought to apply the fertilizer, once you mix the powder with the nodules, it's stuck in the throat of the dispenser. So I gotta figure out what to do to improve things. So with the powder, it doesn't drop. So using this tool with the powder, the powder prevents the thing to dispense properly. So that's why it's done by hand right now. That's too bad. So that's how the fertilizer is applied. Walking and applying it like that. It should be lower because of the sulfate being powder. The wind will just blow it off. So it's kind of difficult to apply because you gotta bend over and do it properly. However, just learning. So how to do things better is what I need to learn growing tobacco in the Philippines. So growing this tobacco, Virginia, the LGU provides a lot of tools, water pump, hose, 100 meters, and then garden hose, another 100 meters. For this distance is too short, so I need to buy another 50. And the way the watering system is like that, what can I do to make it better? I don't know yet, so I gotta figure it out. So as you can see, the hose broke off. It's because the PVC is stressed out. It should be made out of metal. So that's how it is growing tobacco in the Philippines. Yeah, exciting. Fun a minute. Thanks for watching.